Welcome to Jackson Hole, Wyoming. And will you look at that? This is one of 4 archways made out of antlers, elk antlers. It's called the Elk Antler Arches. And this is one of 4 arches that will lead you into the town square, if you will. Will you look at that? Just massive. And again, this is just one of 4 that make up this arch. And there's a little plaque, and it says, "Antler arches have been gates to the Jackson Town Square since 1960. The antlers are from elk that winter on the National Elk Refuge. About 7,500 elk spend each winter on the refuge. The bulls shed their antlers each spring." So we find ourselves in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and it's a Saturday night, and it's just toward the end of June, and you would think that there might be a lot more people here, but it's a rather quiet evening. And just across from there is the Cowboy Bar, where we're going to find ourselves. We're going to mosey over to the Cowboy Bar in just a little bit, but I wanted to just kind of do a walkthrough, as I often do, of a place like this, Jackson, Wyoming. And here you've got a sculpture up on the thing. I'm not sure what this is for, but Operation Desert Shield, Desert Storm, August 2nd, 1990 to April 1991. This beautiful memorial is dedicated in loving memory of the Teton County veterans, Jackson Hole, Wyoming. So I was down here yesterday, and just kind of walking around the town, and it's a rather nice town. I imagine they get just as much business, if not more, in the winter with the skiing as they do here in the summer. Jackson, Wyoming is right at the doorstep. Here you see another one of the arches. Jackson, Wyoming is right on the doorstep of the Grand Teton National Park, as well as Yellowstone National Park. A lot of photos taken at the arches, but the store in particular that caught my attention yesterday was right across the street. It's called the Jackson Mercantile, and this store has got just a collection of animal trophies and skins and stuff like that. Just absolutely amazing, and I'm gonna see if I can't go in and give you a nice walkthrough. Just a warning to all of you animal activists out there. This is not a video that you're probably gonna watch, but there's a guy doing a selfie with the moose. So let's go on inside and take a look. Got a bear up there in the hammock. So everywhere you look, you got these animals. There's a little possum you can take home for $500. There's a pine squirrel for $249. And here you've got looks like a badger, a fox, and a raccoon in a canoe. And you got a beaver. You can walk away with that beaver for only $1,200. Really is an interesting place, without a doubt. And they've got trophies from not only from Yellowstone. For example, I see a zebra across the way. Here would be a grizzly bear. Look at that.
Oh, look at the fun.
Oh, okay. Buffalo is always great, aren't they?
Absolutely amazing. And here they've got a collection of different furs that you can pick up. This is a red fox. Surprisingly, it's only $129 for this red fox fur. You can buy yourself some antlers if you want. Be an interesting token to take home with you from Jackson Hole. Another skin. And up on the wall you can see the different animals. They would have one hell of a moose. Look at the size of that. Really is something. Now look at this. For $14,000, you can take home this guy right there. Look at that. Talk about a bearskin rug. Is that something? Look at that mouth. Imagine that coming after you out on the trail somewhere. Really a cool place. I'm not a hunter myself. Look at that.
About this quote, new British singer he had heard on one of his trips back to England, unquote. Well, the singer hadn't yet hit the States. I got a copy of his first album, No Parlay, and literally wore out the grooves.
The band.
This is his second album, The Secret Association, 1985, and is married to the light soul version of a song written by Daryl Hall, featuring the amazing
Bobcat, $2,500. You can walk home with a bobcat. All right. So on with the tour. It's a rather quiet, cool evening here for Saturday night. As I walk along, I'm looking for my girlfriend, Yanae. And she doesn't like the store with the stuffed animals.
Actually, I got buddy one.
This town has a lot of history to it. Here you can pick yourself up some nice cowboy boots. Bet Melissa out in Georgia would like a pair of those.
Yep, I don't.
Some window shopping. It's a place where you could buy yourself a cowboy hat. Look at this. All types of cowboy hats. And if you'd also like, you can take a ride in the stagecoach just over here. I think they charge you $6 to take a ride on the stagecoach around town. All right. So that gives you an idea as to what it's like in Jackson Hole. There's all types of art galleries that you can walk into, and clothing and nice little restaurants and what have you. But that's all I'll share with you as far as this particular tour goes. So if you make it over to Wyoming, then by all means stop in and check out Jackson Hole. Not sure why they call it, if it's Jackson Hole or Jackson, but or maybe one and the same. Anyway, have a great day.